Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, Developing as Dr. K. And I have got to clean this fridge out, y'all. It is a new year, new us, not really, but it's just time to clean this fridge, honey. So that's what we're gonna be doing. So at this point, I had a lot of leftovers and stuff I had planned to cook that I just did not make, and sauces that I had acquired over the past year. And yeah, it was just time to go through these sauces and all these other things and figure this out. Now y'all, a lot of my friends are like, why you have the acrylic egg thing? Like, it already comes in a cart. But I just think it looks so cute in that little acrylic thing. And the foam thing kind of gets a little bent up sometimes, and it can bump up against things. It just looks nice, okay? So that's why I have it. Anyway, I'm not going to be talking throughout the video. I just wanted to come here and tell y'all what we're going to be doing. And hopefully y'all can use this as some cleaning motivation. If your fridge looked anything like mine was looking, honey, we can't get anything in there. So it's time for the cleaning, for the decluttering. So just use this as a motivation to get in there and get her done. pop on here real quick to say this, that I like using any kind of disinfectant wipes to wipe down the fridge because I don't want bacteria in my food. But there are times where I just use a good old rag and some Dawn dish soap, okay? And when I start wiping down the freezer, then y'all will see I do that as well. I go ahead and just use the Dawn and the dish soap there. And y'all might be counting these wine bottles, but listen, I try to make enough for my guests to enjoy when they come. When you come, you get you a glass of wine, girl. I may or may not have one with you, or I have a little tea station too that they can go to, but this is not for me, this is for my guests, okay? And even if it were, mind your business, okay?
Be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss.
See, now, this is my real problem. I buy double the things because I forget that I have them. So sometimes if y'all see more than one thing up in here, it's because I just cannot seem to remember what's in my fridge, what's in my cabinet. One time I literally bought 4 pancake packets, like 4 boxes of pancakes. I love pancakes, but I bought 4 boxes because I kept going back every week knowing I love pancakes and not sure if I bought pancakes or not. So yeah, I do that. Yeah.
I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. I wish I knew. I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew.
Thank you all so much for watching this cleaning motivation, this fridge organization. hope that you all are inspired to get your house in order, especially for this new year. And yeah, let me know down below if y'all like these. It seemed like y'all liked the last cleaning video, so yeah, thanks for hanging in there with me, and I'm so glad I got this done. My fridge looks 10 times better, so thanks for hanging with me. Catch y'all on the flip.